What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when your iPhone Air is not updating to the newest iOS version. Update problems on your iPhone Air are usually related to your network connection. First, verify that you're using a reliable network connection, as iOS updates require a strong Wi-Fi connection. If you're using cellular, make sure cellular data is enabled in your mobile service settings. You can switch between Wi-Fi and cellular to test if you're able to download the latest update. And you can make use of a speed testing app like Speed Test to verify your average up and download speed. When this is done, you should verify Apple's system status page at apple.com/support/system status. A link will be in the video description. Here, make sure the software update service is not yellow or red. In case it is, then you will have to simply wait a moment for this problem to be resolved. Next, make sure you have enough available storage to download and install the iOS update. Head back to your iPhone settings, tap on General, and then iPhone Storage. Wait a moment for your storage information to load, and then you can see how much available storage you have left. In your software update settings, you should see how much storage you need for this update, usually around 8 GB. If you don't have enough storage left, then follow Apple's storage recommendations to free up space. When this is done, it's suggested to temporarily disable your VPN and proxy connection, as VPNs can block Apple update servers. In your General section, scroll down and tap on VPN and Device Management. Here, disconnect your VPN if you're using one. Lastly, you should restart your iPhone Air, especially if you haven't done this in a while. In your General settings, tap on Shutdown. Slide to power off your device. Wait 20 seconds and then hold the power button on the right side of your iPhone to power it back on. If nothing helped you out, then consider resetting your network settings. In your General settings, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and then Reset Network Settings. You'll be required to restart your iPhone Air again, and it will clear any Wi-Fi passwords, network cache, and fix lingering bugs. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.